Hey there, Mad Money viewers, we're diving into the wild world of Palantir, the data analytics giant that's been making headlines with its jaw-dropping stock surge. This year alone, Palantir's stock has skyrocketed a whopping 66%. Can you believe it? This kind of growth has investors buzzing, and for a good reason. But before you jump on the Palantir bandwagon, we need to answer one crucial question. Is this stock still a buy, or has the train already left the station? Palantir has been on a wild ride, folks. It's like riding a rocket ship through a data storm. But remember, what goes up can also come down. That's why we're here to dissect this high-flying stock and see if it's worth your hard-earned cash. Stay tuned as we uncover the secrets behind Palantir's success, explore its groundbreaking AI technology, and analyze its future prospects. Now let's rewind a bit and talk about Palantir's roots. This company isn't your typical tech startup. Palantir has a history steeped in secrecy and government contracts. They cut their teeth working with intelligence agencies like the CIA and the FBI. Palantir's software was initially designed to track down terrorists and analyze complex data sets. Think of it as a super-powered magnifying glass for the intelligence community. But Palantir didn't stop there. They saw an opportunity to bring their data analytics prowess to the commercial sector. Today, Palantir works with businesses across various industries, from healthcare to finance to energy. Now let's talk about the heart of Palantir's success, their cutting-edge artificial intelligence. Palantir realized early on that data is only as valuable as your ability to understand it. That's where AI comes in. Palantir has been incorporating AI into its platform for years, constantly refining its algorithms and pushing the boundaries of what's possible. Their AI is like a super-powered brain that can analyze massive amounts of data at lightning speed, identifying patterns and connections that humans would miss. But Palantir's AI isn't just about crunching numbers, it's about understanding context, making connections, and providing actionable insights. Over the years, Palantir's AI has evolved to tackle increasingly complex challenges, from predicting equipment failures in factories, to optimizing supply chains to accelerating drug discovery. Their AI is transforming industries across the board. It's a true game changer. And now, for the main event, let's talk about Palantir's latest and greatest innovation, the Artificial Intelligence Platform, or AIP for short. AIP takes Palantir's AI capabilities to a whole new level. It's like they took everything they learned from years of working with data and injected it into a single, powerful platform. AIP is designed to be the ultimate tool for anyone who needs to analyze data, whether you're a seasoned data scientist or a business executive with no coding experience. What makes AIP so special? It's incredibly user-friendly. Palantir understands that not everyone is a tech whiz, so they've created a platform that's intuitive and easy to use. Under the hood, AIP is a technological marvel. It combines the power of Palantir's AI with advanced data visualization tools, collaboration features, and robust security protocols. AIP is constantly learning and evolving, making it a smart investment. Section 5, AIP in Action, Real-World Applications and Success Stories. Now you might be thinking, okay Jim, AIP sounds impressive and all, but what can it actually do? Well, hold on to your hats because I'm about to blow your mind with some real-world examples of AIP in action. Let's start with the healthcare industry. Imagine using AIP to analyze patient data, identify patterns, and predict potential health risks before they even arise. That's precisely what some hospitals are doing right now, using AIP to improve patient outcomes, optimize resource allocation, and even accelerate drug discovery. Or how about the financial sector? AIP is being used by leading banks and financial institutions to combat fraud, detect money laundering, and make smarter investment decisions. And let's not forget about manufacturing, where AIP is being used to optimize production processes, predict equipment failures, and improve supply chain efficiency. These are just a few examples of the countless ways AIP is being used to solve real-world problems and create tangible value. The possibilities are practically limitless. Section 6. Global Domination, Palantir's Expansion into New Markets. Now let's talk about Palantir's global ambitions. They're not content with just conquering the US market, they've got their sights set on the entire world. And who can blame them? With a game-changing product like AIP, the sky's the limit. Palantir is aggressively expanding into new markets, forging partnerships with governments and businesses across Europe, Asia, and beyond. They're seeing particularly strong demand for AIP in sectors like defense, intelligence, and law enforcement, where their expertise in handling sensitive data gives them a significant advantage. But it's not just about government contracts anymore. Palantir is also making inroads into the commercial sector in these new markets, partnering with companies in industries like healthcare, finance, and energy. Of course, expanding into new markets comes with its own set of challenges, but Palantir has proven time and time again that they're up for a challenge. Section 7. The Moneymakers Palantir's Revenue Streams. Now let's talk about the money, honey. After all, that's what we're all here for, right? Let's break down Palantir's revenue streams and see where the big bucks are coming from. Palantir has two main sources of revenue: government contracts and commercial clients. On the government side, they've been raking it in with lucrative deals from agencies like the Department of Defense, the Department of Homeland Security, and even international governments. But here's the interesting part. Palantir is seeing a shift in their revenue mix. While government contracts still make up a significant portion of their revenue, their commercial business is growing like gangbusters. More and more companies are realizing the power of Palantir's technology and are willing to shell out big bucks to get their hands on it. Think about it. What's more profitable than selling a product once? Selling it over and over again on a subscription basis? That's the beauty of Palantir's commercial business model. This shift towards commercial clients is a good thing for Palantir and its investors. It diversifies their revenue streams, reduces their reliance on government contracts, and opens up a whole new world of growth potential. Section 8. Wall Street's take analyzing Palantir's valuation. Now let's talk about the elephant in the room: Palantir's valuation. There's no denying that this stock is expensive, folks. Some might even say it's downright pricey. But is it justified? That's the million-dollar question, isn't it? Wall Street analysts are a divided bunch when it comes to Palantir. Some are bullish, pointing to the company's impressive growth rates, its massive market opportunity, and its potential to become a dominant player in the AI space. Others are more cautious, expressing concerns about the company's high valuation, its reliance on government contracts, and its lack of profitability. Palantir is a high-growth company with a lot of potential, but they also face significant challenges, including competition from tech giants like Microsoft and Amazon. Section 9, the billion-dollar question: is Palantir overvalued? Now let's address the elephant in the room. Is Palantir overvalued? It's a question that's been on everyone's mind, especially with the stock's meteoric rise in recent years. Look, there's no denying that Palantir's stock price is high. It's trading at a significant premium compared to its earnings, and some analysts argue that its current valuation is unsustainable in the long run. They point to the company's history of losses, its dependence on government contracts, and its fierce competition as reasons for caution. But here's the other side of the coin. Palantir is not your average tech company. They're building mission-critical software for governments and enterprises, software that helps solve some of the world's most complex problems. Their technology is in high demand, their contracts are often long-term and lucrative, and their growth potential is enormous. So, is Palantir overvalued? It's a tough call. If you're looking for a high-growth, high-risk, high-reward opportunity, Palantir might just be the ticket. Section 10. The verdict to buy or not to buy Palantir stock. So we've covered a lot of ground today, folks. We've talked about Palantir's history, its technology, its growth prospects, and its valuation. Now, it's time for the moment of truth. Should you buy Palantir stock? Well, as much as I'd love to give you a definitive yes or no answer, it's not that simple. On the one hand, Palantir is a truly innovative company with a bright future. They're operating in a massive and growing market. Their technology is in high demand, and their growth potential is undeniable. On the other hand, Palantir is not without its risks. If you're comfortable with volatility and you believe in Palantir's long-term vision, then a small allocation to the stock might be warranted. Section 11. Palantir's future, a leader in the AI revolution. As we wrap up our deep dive into Palantir, one thing is clear. This company is poised to play a major role in the future of artificial intelligence. They're not just riding the AI wave, they're helping to shape it. With its powerful platform, its growing customer base, and its relentless focus on innovation, Palantir is well positioned to capitalize on the explosive growth of the AI market. They're already working with some of the world's most influential organizations, and their technology is only becoming more valuable as data becomes increasingly central to our lives. Will Palantir become the undisputed leader in the AI race? Only time will tell. But one thing is for sure, they're a company to watch, and their journey is far from over. Remember, investing is a marathon, not a sprint. That's all for today, folks. Stay tuned for more Mad Money, where we'll continue to break down the world of investing and help you navigate the exciting but often confusing world of finance.